Welcome to a space where ideas spark curiosity, questions ignite answers, and inspiration transforms lives. This is Mind Alchemy, your destination for unlocking potential in everyday life.
There's a new sheriff in town, and it's shaking up the AI world. Say hello to DeepSeek R1, a Chinese AI model that's not just playing catch-up, it's leapfrogging the competition. You might be thinking, another AI model? But DeepSeek R1 is not your average chatbot. It's a game changer built with a focus on reasoning and a price tag that's making industry giants sweat. DeepSeek R1 was born from a scrappy team, defying expectations and proving that innovation can thrive even with limited resources. They ditched the traditional playbook, swapping out costly supervised learning for a more human-like approach, reinforcement learning. Let's break down the features listed here on your screen compared to GPT-4o. Let's start with Input Context Window. This is the amount of text the model can process at once. Both GPT-4o and DeepSeek models have a generous 128K tokens, which is plenty for handling most tasks. Then we have Maximum Output Tokens. This is the maximum amount of text the model can generate in a single go. GPT-4o has 16.4K tokens, while DeepSeek R1 offers a more generous 32K tokens. This means DeepSeek R1 can produce longer outputs if needed. GPT-4o is not open source, meaning its code is not publicly available. DeepSeek R1, on the other hand, is open source, which allows for greater transparency and community collaboration. GPT-4o was released on 6 August 2024, while DeepSeek R1 is a newer model, coming out on 21 January 2025. GPT-4o knowledge is up to October 2023, while DeepSeek R1's knowledge cutoff is unknown. This means GPT-4o might have more up-to-date information. GPT-4o is available through OpenAI and Azure OpenAI service, while DeepSeek R1 can be accessed through DeepSeek and Hugging Face. Let's break down the pricing information shown here. Let's start with input cost. This is the cost for processing the text you provide as input to the model. GPT-4o charges $2.50 per million tokens, while DeepSeek R1 comes in at a much lower 55 cents per million tokens. The output cost, which is the cost for the text generated by the model in response to your input, is also extremely lower compared to GPT-4o, which charges $10 per million tokens, whereas DeepSeek R1 is significantly cheaper at $2.19 per million tokens. DeepSeek R1 is roughly 4.6 times cheaper than GPT-4o for both input and output tokens. This means that if you're looking for a cost-effective large language model, DeepSeek R1 might be a more attractive option. This is the GitHub repo of DeepSeek. The link you will find in the description below. DeepSeek R1 was developed using a lean and efficient approach inspired by Richard Sutton's bitter lesson. Instead of relying heavily on human-crafted data, R1 primarily learned through reinforcement learning, discovering solutions independently. This approach resulted in a model that excels in a wide range of tasks, including math, coding, and creative writing, while maintaining a significantly smaller footprint compared to other leading models. DeepSeek R1 demonstrates that high-performing AI can be achieved with less computational cost and more accessible resources, making it a promising development for the future of the field. Alright, let's dive deeper into DeepSeek R1. So, head over to Google and search for DeepSeek. You'll find their website. Click on the first result. Now, let's get started. Click on Start Now. This will take you to the login page. For simplicity, let's use Google to log in. Click on Login with Google. DeepSeek will now do a quick check to make sure you're not a robot. Once verified, you'll be redirected to the registration page. I'll use my Mind Alchemy email ID. Click Continue. Welcome to DeepSeek. Your profile is now created. Now, let's explore these key features. DeepThink is where the magic happens. This is where you'll unleash DeepSeek R1's reasoning power to solve complex problems, analyze data, and generate creative ideas. And the search button allows you to quickly access and integrate information from the web directly into your DeepSeek sessions. We'll now explore each of these features in detail. Alright, let's get our hands dirty and see what DeepSeek R1 can really do. We've talked about its reasoning power. Now let's put it to the test with a fun challenge, building a classic video game. Let's give DeepSeek R1 our first prompt. Create a Space Invaders game. Build it into HTML. Let's head over to the DeepThink tab. Remember, this is where the magic happens. Look at this. Before writing the code, DeepSeek is showing us its thought process step by step. It's figuring out the game elements, the mechanics, and the best way to implement them using HTML. This is a fascinating glimpse into the reasoning power of this AI. And it's writing this code at lightning speed. It's like watching a seasoned programmer in action, effortlessly crafting clean, efficient code. This is a testament to DeepSeek R1's impressive coding abilities. Moreover, the code is well-structured, easy to read, and maintainable, demonstrating a level of sophistication that surpasses many traditional programming tools. DeepSeek R1 is not just generating code, it's demonstrating a deep understanding of programming principles and best practices. This efficiency and precision are crucial for real-world applications, where time and accuracy are paramount. And now, let's click on Run HTML. Here is our Space Invaders game, ready for us to play. The game loads seamlessly, demonstrating DeepSeek R1's ability to not only generate code, but also ensure its functionality. This seamless execution highlights the model's attention to detail and its capacity to produce production-ready code. Now we're exploring the mathematical reasoning skills of DeepSeek. Let's see just how powerful this tool is when it comes to solving complex problems. Here's the challenge. A rectangular prism has a total surface area of 94 square units and a volume of 60 cubic units. If the length, width, and height of the prism are all integers, we need to find all possible sets of dimensions, length, width, and height that satisfy these conditions. Let's hit the arrow and watch as it begins to solve this mathematical puzzle. As you can see, DeepSeek has activated its reasoning abilities. It's breaking down the problem step by step, testing different combinations of integers to match both the surface area and the volume. Each calculation is carefully aligned with the constraints of the problem, ensuring no possible solution is overlooked. DeepSeek systematically eliminates invalid combinations, narrowing down to only those that meet both the surface area and volume criteria. What's remarkable here is its ability to analyze multiple possibilities in seconds, something that would take us much longer to do manually. This step-by-step reasoning showcases the precision and efficiency of DeepSeek's mathematical problem-solving capabilities. DeepSeek is checking each possible set of dimensions and verifying them against the mathematical constraints. By leveraging its ability to handle complex relationships between variables, DeepSeek ensures that the solutions it provides are both accurate and exhaustive. This level of precision highlights how advanced AI tools can revolutionize problem-solving. With every step, we're seeing how DeepSeek turns theoretical math into practical, actionable insights. This is where its computational power really shines. And there you have it. DeepSeek has successfully cracked the problem. These are the possible dimensions of the rectangular prism. This step-by-step reasoning showcases the precision and efficiency of DeepSeek's mathematical problem-solving capabilities. Pretty amazing, right? Alright, let's now put DeepSeek to another test. We're going to ask it about a recent development in the AI world. Lightning attention from Minimax. Our prompt reads, I want a small report about lightning attention from Minimax. Make sure you also add a table of differences between lightning attention versus Mamba versus the traditional attention. Let's activate both DeepSeek for reasoning and search for browsing information from internet. This is a multifaceted question that requires DeepSeek to not only understand the concept of lightning attention, but also compare it to other attention mechanisms and present the information in a structured way. As you see on your screen, DeepSeek has initiated the reasoning process using chain of thought. DeepSeek has detailed the development and implementation of lightning attention, a novel linear attention mechanism used in the Minimax 01 model. It has also discussed the computational complexity by mentioning that lightning attention reduces computational complexity from quadratic to linear, enabling the processing of extremely long contexts in models like Minimax Text 01 and Minimax VL01. It has explained the features by stating that the attention mechanism combines linear attention with periodic softmax attention layers to balance efficiency and accuracy in token interactions. It has also highlighted the key innovations. It has explained the hardware strategies clearly and has carried out necessary comparisons by comparing with Mamba and traditional attention. DeepSeek not only provides a comprehensive report, but also cites its sources. This is a key feature, ensuring transparency and allowing us to verify the information. See, if we hover over the citation number, we can see the reference. This makes it easy to explore the original research. And look, we're redirected to the research article itself. This is incredibly helpful for anyone who wants to delve deeper into the topic. We can even click on the PDF to view the full research paper right here on the screen. This level of integration is truly impressive. Now we're going to test DeepSeek's intelligence not with complex logic problems, but with something a little more mysterious, encrypted text. Here is an example encrypted text, and here's the decrypted version of that same text. Think step by step. Simple, yet powerful. Now, the crucial part: we haven't given DeepSeek any decryption key. No hints, no algorithms, just this example of encrypted and decrypted text. We are now asking DeepSeek to decrypt a new encrypted text based on the example provided. We have activated DeepThink for reasoning. DeepSeek is working on it now, processing the information, trying to find the hidden connections with chain of thoughts. It's analyzing the patterns in the first message, attempting to extrapolate a decryption method. This involves breaking down the encrypted text into smaller components and comparing them to the corresponding parts of the decrypted message. DeepSeek is essentially trying to reason its way through the encryption, step by step, just like the message suggested. It is reasoning with blazing fast speed, rapidly evaluating potential decryption algorithms. The sheer volume of computations it's performing in real time is astonishing. Amazing! DeepSeek cracked the code which reads, "There are 3 R in strawberry." And that's the right answer. Incredible! Finally, we're turning our gaze to the cosmos and asking DeepSeek to tap into the celestial energies of 2025. We're going beyond simple sun sign summaries. We want the full cosmic picture. Our prompt is a big one. Compose comprehensive horoscopes for each of the 12 zodiac signs, forecasting key trends and potential events for the year 2025. These predictions should cover various aspects of life, including but not limited to career, relationships, finances, health, and personal growth. Maintain a professional and objective tone, avoiding overly sensational or vague pronouncements. The horoscopes should be detailed and insightful, offering guidance and potential opportunities for each sign throughout the year. We are now activating DeepThink for reasoning and search for exploring internet. Let's hit the arrow button and wait for results. We're asking DeepSeek for some serious astrological insights. We want detailed predictions covering everything from career moves and romantic prospects to financial forecasts and personal development tips. And importantly, we've asked for a professional and objective tone, no vague prophecies or over-the-top pronouncements. Just clear, insightful guidance. DeepSeek is now consulting the stars, analyzing planetary alignments, and interpreting the cosmic whispers for each of the 12 zodiac signs. Here they are. The complete horoscopes for 2025. DeepSeek has delivered detailed and insightful predictions for each sign, covering all the key areas of life. Intriguing, right? What do you think of your forecast? Let me know in the comments below.
If you found this tutorial helpful, like this video, subscribe for more AI tips, and share it with a friend. Check the description for links to our Udemy course for automating your daily tasks with generative AI, and I'll see you in the next video.